5 minutes and then we're on.
It's going to be a good one tonight.
Tell me, have you heard about this project going on in Cardiff? It sounds amazing. Really exciting.
No, I haven't. Tell me all about it.
It's a research study in Cardiff University.
A research study? You said it was exciting. I never would have guessed that you were talking about research.
Why not? Research can be cool.
Okay. Convince me then. Why are they doing this research?
Well, it's about medical students learning from what people write online about their health. Isn't that interesting?
Learning from what people write online. How? You mean blogs? How could students learn from blogs?
Yes, definitely blogs. They've been looking at patient community forums as well, and how parents get advice from others online.
How does that work? It doesn't sound like it will work to me.
Well, that's why they are doing the research. The research will try and see what students have learned from reading the stories that people write.
But what if they haven't learned anything? What if the students just thought it was a waste of time?
The researchers want to know then. That's the point of research and education. They want to know what kind of thing really helps students and what doesn't. There isn't any point spending time on something that isn't useful. Or they might learn how they can help students get more out of the experience.
Okay, I see. Well, I think I understand. So how are they going to do this research? Are they going to send the medical students a questionnaire?
No questionnaires. First, they are going to get some students together to talk about how they got on with the project. It's called a focus group.
Together? Where? Aren't medical students too busy to sit around talking to researchers? Aren't they meant to be learning stuff? Learning how to make people better?
Students have to take breaks too. And they can learn an awful lot by helping out with a research exercise like this one. I'll tell you more. A small group of students will meet with a researcher over lunch. The lunch is free. And then they just talk together.
Students can talk a lot. How can the researcher remember everything that they say? He must have a really good memory.
Well, she does have a good memory, but she couldn't remember everything they say, so she records the discussion.
She records it? What happens then?
Someone listens to the recording and types out everything that is said. They make the participants anonymous. Then the researchers analyze the discussion so that they can understand what the students learned and what they thought was good and bad about the project.
So do the students have to do this? I know they get a free lunch, and it doesn't take too long, but not everyone would want to help with this.
No, of course they don't have to take part. It's all voluntary.
So taking part or not taking part won't affect the grades they get?
No, of course not.
I didn't know. I've never taken part in a research project.
That's okay, those are really good questions. Most people don't know what it is like to take part in research. But it's a lot of fun, really.
Hey, my cousin is a medical student in Cardiff. He's in 3rd year. Really busy. Plays a lot of rugby. I'll tell him to think about getting involved in the research.
That would be great. Maybe next year we'll be reporting on this research on our show.
It's a pretty cool project, but I wouldn't go that far.
Anyway, tell your cousin to sign up to one of the research sessions happening this week. I'm sure they'll bring extra food for him.
Hey, we run.